Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Hello viewers. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you much more amazing thing. In that thing, I am gonna show you the servers. These are all the servers: the Docker, the XAMPP, MAMP, WAMP server, and a lot of all of them. We have a lot of them. So today in this video, I will be telling you about the XAMPP. What is XAMPP? It is the server. We are gonna download and install it. Here in the browser, I'm gonna search the XAMPP. Here we go, and here is the official site of the XAMPP. Here it is giving me the option. We have these options: Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl in the XAMPP. Here are the options. I'm gonna click on the download. XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for OS X. And we are going to download the latest version of the XAMPP, which is 8.2.4 for Windows. These are the Windows, so here we go. I'm gonna download it. It is being downloaded. It's gonna take some time, a little time. And XAMPP is really a good server. It is being downloaded. Afterwards, we will be showing it in the folder. It's gonna take some time while the XAMPP is being downloaded. I'm gonna first end this video because it is gonna take some time. When it will be downloaded, we will be seeing it in the folder. Now the XAMPP in for our Windows has been downloaded, so we are going to install it. We are going to click on it. I have double clicked it. It's being opened, and we will be installing it. The latest version 8.2.4 has been downloaded. Now we are going to install. Yes, we have to install the XAMPP for our video. Welcome to the XAMPP. Important because an activated user account control. Okay. Now the setup XAMPP. Welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. Next. And MySQL FileZilla. Yes. Next. Please choose a folder to install. We are not going to install it in the hard drive C, because whenever we boot and install the new window, our data in the C drive cannot survive, and we have to install it in another folder. I am going to put it in the E, and then have to put the slash, and then I already have made XAMPP. I already have made the folder, so it's gonna go there. Yes, the English language setup is now ready to begin installing. Okay, next, installing, unpacking files. It's gonna take a little time. Now the XAMPP has downloaded for our Windows. We are going to install it. I'm gonna click on it. I have clicked it. Now, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. We are going to install the XAMPP. So here it is being processed. Welcome to the XAMPP. And important because yes. Setup. Welcome to the XAMPP setup, and MySQL files, select component, and yes. And next, it is asking. Now we are going to choose the folder. I have already created the folder in the PC do in this. Now we are going to, I already have made the new folder for the XAMPP installation because it's gonna go there. If I will be installing it in the C hard drive, if my window will be corrupted and I have to reinstall my window, or I have to update my window, all of my database, all of my data, all of the backup will be corrupted. So if I want to keep it, I have to put it rather than C. So I'm gonna put this installation in the hard drive F. So here I already had created the folder. I'm gonna install it in F. Now I have to choose the language, which is gonna be English, and setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer, and yes, next. And now it is being installed. It's gonna take a little longer. I will be fastening my video from this point. When it will be installed, I will be back. Here it is being installed, and I'm gonna show you it is being stored here. All of my data is being stored here while the XAMPP is being installed. Here is the XAMPP. It is installing and unpacking the files, and my files are going to appear here. All of my data, it is being appeared here in the folder, and from this point it is being installed. It's gonna take a little time. Now all of the files have been unpacked and it is being installed. It has installed. XAMPP has installed. We can see all of the files. We have all the data related to XAMPP. As you can see, it is probably done. 75% has done and only 25% is left. That will be done soon. It has done, and I will be finishing it here. And now we can see all of the related data. We have its backup, the Perl, Apache, MySQL, everything. And now XAMPP is giving us the option to start the modules. We are going to use Apache and MySQL, so we are going to start both of them here. And yes, we have to allow the access. It is being worked. Yes, allow access. And now our XAMPP is probably done being installed. The XAMPP has been installed. In the next video, I will be telling you how we can use. In this video, I was telling you about how we can download and install the XAMPP. In the next video, I will be telling you in the next lecture how we can use the XAMPP. Hope to see you again, and please share, like and subscribe our channel, like our videos. We will be back soon. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can download and install the WordPress and how we can make an amazing website of our own for ourselves, and how we can manage its database, and we can do a lot of much more things. I will be telling you how we can use different plugins in it. First step is I shall go to the start menu, and here I'm gonna search XAMPP, and XAMPP appeared. I'm gonna go to its control panel. It's working right now. Here I have to start the Apache and the MySQL. I have started it, and now it has started. We shall close it. Now we shall go to the browser, and here I'm searching localhost/phpMyAdmin. Here we go. We will be creating database for our website. It is working right now. We have to use localhost to create the database. Here phpMyAdmin localhost has appeared. appeared, and here I'm gonna go on to create the database name. Here I'm gonna write the tech vlog because it is belonging, so we have to click on the create, and now our database has created. It will be created after when we will be installing WordPress. So now here localhost and then tech vlog is our database name. Here we go. I already have downloaded the WordPress, but I'm gonna show you from where we can download the WordPress. Here we have to write the download and WordPress. Here it appeared, download WordPress 6.2.2 is the latest version. We are going to download it. I'm gonna cancel it right now because I already have downloaded it. It was just to show you how and from where we can download the WordPress. Here my WordPress appeared. Here I have extracted its files, so here is my WordPress. It is being extracted. When it will be extracted, we will go to the next step. Here we go. It's probably done. And now here my WordPress, I have to copy this folder. I'm gonna copy it, and these files have been extracted all. I have to copy this folder. Now we are going to copy this from here, copy and go to the XAMPP. Here is the folder htdocs. We have to paste the copied folder here. I have pasted it and it is being pasted. After it will be pasted, we have to change the name of our file however we want. Now I'm gonna rename it, that is tech vlog. I have renamed it. Now we shall go back to the localhost, and I have written the name of my extracted file name, that is tech vlog, and localhost will be directly connecting us with that data. Here I have to choose language. You can choose any language if you have expertise in these languages. I'm gonna go choose the English and continue. Here is the database name, and let's go WordPress. Its name was tech vlog, and the username you can write any, but here we have to write the root. We shall leave the password empty, and database host is localhost and table prefix is WordPress. Now submit. Run the installation. We are going to install the WordPress. Run the installation. We have clicked it, and now we have to write the site title, which is tech vlog. The username, which was admin tech, and we now have to write the password of our liking, which we can remember. Here I have written it. It is giving me option that my password is weak, and now I'm writing the email and then discarded search engine from, because my site now is not able to show the world, so I am right now discouraging search engines from indexing this site to the public, and confirm use. Yes, install WordPress. I have to install and click on it. I have clicked it. It is being processed. Now while it is being processed, I'm gonna tell you when my site, our site, will be able to see the world. We will be doing the latest process, which is really amazing. Here is my username and the password, and we are going to log in it. I have clicked on it and it is now being processed. Here is this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of our website, and here we have a lot of other options. We can post anything we want, media, people can comment, we have a lot of pages, and we can use plugins. And here is the dashboard and tech vlog. We shall visit to the site. Right now it is look like this because it is not completed. We didn't have any work to right here right now, but we will be working on it, and afterward it will be mind-blowing really, and people can see it differently when it will be public. Right now public can see it. We shall go back to the dashboard. That was for now. In the next video I will be telling you how we can use different plugins and what is the real use of the website, how we can manage it. Hope to see you again. Please like our videos, share them, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video I will be telling you how we can use our website and what is the interface, what is the dashboard of our website we create with WordPress and XAMPP. Firstly, in previous video I have told you how we can download and install the XAMPP. Now we should go to the start menu and search here the XAMPP. Here we go to the all apps, and somewhere here we have the XAMPP, which is here is the XAMPP, and we shall go to its control panel, and then we can start the modules we want. It is being processed. We want Apache and MySQL, so we are going to start them. Here we have started them. We are admin, and from this point we can close it, and now XAMPP is being shown here. The control panel of the XAMPP is being shown here. Here we go to the browser. To open our web, we shall write here the localhost / and then we have written our web name, that was tech vlog -wp admin. Here we go, wp / wp minus admin. Here we go. It is being processed. Here is my username and the password. We are going to log in it. Now it has appeared the dashboard of our website. This is the interface. Here is my information, admin tech, and we can edit our profile, and we can log it out. Here is the sign of the WordPress, about WordPress, WordPress.org, and documentations about the WordPress, how we can export and how we can give feedback, all appeared here about. Here is our home. We can cite our visit. From this point, we have not developed much of our website yet. We will be working on it. Right now it is looking like this, but we can go back to the dashboard. Here are the updates. Here are the comments people can comment. So here is, from this point we can add new post, add new media posts that are vlogging, blogging, visuals, anything, and we can add new page, and also we can add new users for the web. like admin, we can add the users. Here we have the home and update likewise, but we don't update from this point, because if we will be updating from this point, all of our data will be vanished. Because we are right now using the latest version of the WordPress, we don't update things from here. If we will be updating WordPress, our data will be vanished and disappear. So we don't update from the WordPress, we update plugins, not the WordPress. Here we have the posts. In post we can add new post. We can see all posts we already have updated. My web is new, I didn't have posted anything yet, but when we post, all of our posts appear here. We can add new ones from this point, and here we have a lot of the categories, all the categories, their names, their slugs, and the parent categories, and bulk action, and all of the things you can see. Here is the page of the about the category appear here, and here are the tags, the name of the tags and the slug, and all of the description and tags show here. Here we have the media. In the media library, we have library, and we can use in library all of our data is saved, like visuals, blogs, vlogs, and any of the data we have stored like library. Here all media items. In this page we have all media items, all dates, and bulk select, and we can add new things from this point. And here we go to the pages, and we have all the pages, and we already have added, and we can add new pages to this. All the pages we have, whatever we have is gonna appear here, what we will be publishing, and what we have drafted and not published yet will be appeared here. Here we have the bulk actions. We can add it, we can move to trash them, we can apply things, we can see all the dates, and here we have different filters. We can add new page likewise. Here are the comments people can comment, and we can see their comment. Here it is being processed. Here we have all comment. We can comment all by ourselves, pending comments, some of the comments who are being approved, and the spam comments, and we trash some of them. Likewise, this is the page for the comments. And in appearance we have themes. We can use these themes, we can edit these themes, and we can add new themes for our web. From this point we can see the editor for our tech vlog, which is the name of our web. And from this point we can install new plugins and add new ones. We shall go to the page of the plugins. Here we can add new plugins. Here all the plugins we've been using will be appear here. Here inactive and plugins will be appear, because I have recently inactivate 2 of the plugins in this web which were unnecessary, and here are the update availables to the plugins, and auto updated disabled. In the bulk action we can activate them, deactivate them, update them, delete them, enable them, and disable them. I will be telling you in detail how we can search and activate any plugin and how plugins work. We can add new plugins. Here are the different plugins we can use, and from this point we can search our liked plugin and we can activate and install that, and we can use that. Here we have the users. All the users we can add new users like admin. I am the admin of this web right now, but we can add users, and all in all I have one. I am the administrator, but we can add new users. All the users, we can add new users. If required, we can put our email here, that the name of the user and his last name and the web name, and we can generate any password, and we can see notifications, and from this point we can select the role of other user. That could be a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Here we have the roles for the users. They can perform their role likewise. And here we have the profile. In profile, disable the visual editor when writing, and for syntax, disable syntax highlighting when editing code. And here we have color scheme and keyboard shortcuts and toolbars, and we can choose the language and the name, username admin. Likewise, this is the information we've been using, and you can see this interface. In the tools, we can see a lot of tools available. We can use them. We can import tools, we can export tools. We can see the site health of our website. We can export personal data, erase personal data. We can edit our theme file, and we can use an edit plugin file editor. Here are the settings. In setting, it is the information about our website. The site name is tech blog, and the tagline, the WordPress address, the site address. Here we have email of the administrator and the membership. Anyone can register. Here we have new user default role, that was subscriber, and I already have shown you the other roles, the contributor, author, editor, and administrator. And site language, which is English. Time zone, you have to choose a time zone according to the state you're working in, you are living in, because if you won't choose time according to your state, the time zone will not be managed. It will be updated likewise according to the international or country or regional time. So here we have the date format. We can see and we can choose the date format however we want. Here appear the June 27, 2023. Here we can choose the year first, and then the month, and then the date. Likewise, the month, the date, the year, and the date, month, year, however we want, are custom. Here we have time format. Likewise, we can choose our time format, and week start on, we can choose from any day we want. It was general. In writing, we have writing settings. I don't have developed this site much yet, but here are the writing settings. You can see and use and set your writings according to your liking. Here we have reading settings. Your latest post will appear, or you can choose any static page. Click on it, and right now I don't have any pages, but you can choose any page that will appear on the home page if you will displaying your website, and you can also see post page. Otherwise, your latest post will be appeared on the home page display. Here we have blog pages show at most. You can choose any of it, 7, 17, 10, however we want. Syndication feed show the most recent, or you can also see the items however you want. For each post in a feed, include full text and excerpts. Here we have search engine visibility. Most of the people do this mistake when they develop their website. The when the website is not much developed, they discourage search engine from indexing this site to the public. But um, when we have developed our website and it is ready to for the public, we make this mistake. So we have to firstly, after developing it, we have to choose this option. We have to encourage it to the public, and then we have to click on the save changes. Right now I didn't have developed it, so I'm gonna choose this, and then here we can see the discussion setting, default post settings. Here we have a lot of them. You can read and then decide according to your liking. Here we have our media images size. We can see their width and height and all of these sizes, medium size, large, and thumbnail, and we can choose these things however we want. Permalinks, here we can see and we can choose how our URL gonna look like. We can choose any of that. And here is the privacy setting. You can read it and then you can create, or you can accept and then you can use this privacy, and you can go to the guidance. And here we have the collapse menu, and then we have collapsed the menu, and we shall go back to it. And here we have the dashboard. That was for today. I will be explaining things in deep down detail so you can use that to your liking. That was for today. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can post any post on the website. Here we go to the start menu, and we are going to the Alpro apps, and here we should go to the XAMPP. Here we have XAMPP, and we should go to the control panel of the XAMPP, and it is being processed. We will be starting our two modules, Apache and MySQL. Here we go, and then we have to close it, and then shall go to the browser. Here we go, localhost, and yes, my admin. Here we have ChatGPT. I'm gonna open it because I will be writing, ChatGPT will be writing the blog for our post. Here we go, continue, and yes, continue. We're here. We shall also open our web. Here we are on the interface and the dashboard of the tech vlog, and here we have ChatGPT. Yes, continue, and ChatGPT next, and then next, and done. And we are ready. It is ready to write the blog. Here we have post. I'm gonna post. We shall go here, add new, because I didn't have any previous, and I'm gonna add the new one. Here it is giving me the option to add the new one, and for now it is being closed, and I will be posting the blog here. And here I'm gonna write about the technology, the ChatGPT, for example, history of the ChatGPT. History of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is automating writing the blog for the post, all the information about the history of the ChatGPT, and I will be copying it and then I will be posting it. You can post you can write and then post. You can create the content from the official applications which create contents likewise, and then you can post them. Here we go. I'm gonna copy it. I have copied it, and now I'm gonna post it here. History of the chat GPT. Here I have posted it. Here is the post and its summary. Visibility, public can see it. Publish immediately, and you can schedule it however you want. From which time, on which date, which year, you can choose that from here. But right now I'm not gonna do that. Template is single and URL is localhost techvlog / p is equal to 7. Stick to the top of the blog, pending review, and author is admin tag, and we can move it to trash. We can choose the category. It is uncategorized. We can add new category. It is about the technology, so I have write about technology. And add category, and now category has been added, and you can choose any category however you want, and you can choose 2 of them, you can choose 1 of them, you can choose however, and you can add however you want the categories. And then about the tags, for the tags we can use different size, like keyword everywhere is an extension which provide us different tags. Here we go. Keyword everywhere. It is an extension, keyword everywhere. Right now I'm not gonna install it, but you can use this. So here we can put a tags. Early language model chat GPT, for example, is a tag. Chat GPT, enter, and OpenAI AI and enter. GPT 2 and enter. All these are the tags. We can use them likewise. And here featured image, we are going to put the image. We can download any image, and then we can put image however we want. Yes, I'm not a robot, I'm a human, and we will be using the images, and find technology related. And here we have, so for example I'm gonna choose this one. Now it is giving me option to open it, to download it. I can choose the resolution. The resolution is 1920 and it's perfect, and open. And now I shall save images, and it is yes, and then it is asking me to search feature image, upload file, and media library. I have nothing in the media library right now because our web is new, but we can upload file, select file. Here we go. I have selected it, and now the technology transfer, we can see the alt. We can put the alt text here, which is chat GPT and technology. Chat GPT and technology. Here we go. we can write its caption and description however we want. Right now it was just to show you however we can write the caption, which is history of ChatGPT, and likewise, for example, right now I'm copying it and gonna paste it here, but you can use different, and it appeared here. We can also replace and remove featured image, and here in excerpt, write an excerpt optional. It is optional, we can write or not, we cannot write. And discussion, allow comments and allow pingbacks and trackbacks. And in the blog, there is no blog selected yet because our site is really new, and here we have all the information I have discussed with you, and we can post our blog. Here we can preview it, tablet, mobile, or preview in new tab how it's gonna look like. This is tech vlog, and here it's gonna look like this. I'm scrolling up and down to show you, and people can leave comment. I also can post a comment here. Anyone can, because I have allowed the public to comment. So here we go. We can save it from this point and then can publish it. Publish visibility to the public, and publishing, I'm publishing it immediately. So here we go. Post has published, and now we can view the post. That was for today. In today's video I was telling you how we can write and how we can post the vlog or blog however we want. It was blog, and you can choose the category and put tags and different things related to it. In the next video I will be back soon with amazing and other things. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video I will be telling you how we can install plugin in our website. Here we go to the localhost / and tech blog, and here we go to the user page, to the dashboard where we can install the plugin. We have two ways to install the plugins. The first one is here in the plugin options we have installed plugins. We shall go there, and here are showing the activated plugins, and we can add new. Here we have a lot of already appeared plugins here. The classic editor is one of them. We can install it, and we can search the host any of the plugin, and we can install it. Every plugin has a different interface, and we can install them differently. Most of the ways familiar and similar, but they have different options because their functionalities are different. So here we go, and we shall install it. I will be telling you another way to install any plugin. Here we are. It is being installed. Now it is activated. How many plugins we have? Here we have Classic Editor and Yoast. It is activated and enable. We are going to activate the plugin Yoast. Every plugin have different functionalities, so here we go. It is being processed. So here we are going to configure the Yoast SEO search engine optimization. The functionality of this plugin is how we can optimize our blog. So here we go, start first time configuration, and it is asking us to continue. Yes. This feature included and replaced text link counter and internal linking analysis. Be aware that you should run the SEO data optimization for this configuration to take maximum effect. Yes, we shall continue it, and here we can have two options: a person or organization. The web is official, so we are going to choose this, and website name is Tech Vlog and organization name is Tech Vlog. And we didn't have any logo yet, but we can select any logo and put it that here, save and continue, and yes. Please be aware that you need to fill out all settings in this step to get the most value out of structured data. Yes. Social profile, we didn't have any social profile yet, but we can put our Facebook link here, Twitter link here, and we can add another profile that will be LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram and YouTube. Anything could work here. Right now I'm gonna delete it, and I didn't have any other social media platform for this website related to this website, but we can have any of them, and we can save and continue that. Personal preference, no, don't track my site data. Yes, you can track. Right now, no, you cannot track our site data. So here is the option, and here we have to put the email address, and then we can sign it up, save and continue. Right now I'm not gonna do that. It is just to show you from where and which information you have to put, and then finish the configuration. Learn how to get the most out of the Yoast, and that is it. How it works is SEO for everyone. We can see the products, so learn SEO, we can blog, change the blog setting, we can seek help, and here is the community. This is about the Yoast, how it works, how we can pay, and how we can use it, the free version of it. And here we go, we can get Yoast SEO premium version, and afterwards we can also edit all of them. Now our Yoast is activated, is ready to work. And another plugin was the classic editor. We can activate it as well. It is right now, it is deactivated, but this one is, we can activate it and activate this one also. So here we go. I was telling you about how we can install our plugins. So that was for today. In the next video, hope to see you again with another amazing thing, and with another amazing functionalities of technology. So that was for today. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I'm gonna tell you how we can secure our WordPress created website. So here we go. We shall log into our website, and we are here to the dashboard, the control. So here we go. Here we have plugin options. We shall click on it, and here we have two plugins already. I'm gonna show you how we can add new plugin. Here we go, add new. It is about how we can secure our web. Here we go, it is being processed. It's gonna take a little bit because my connection is a little bit slow. Until then, I'm gonna show you which WPS hide login. This is the plugin we can use to secure our web. Here we go, click on it, and then we can download that. Here we're going to refresh our web. Here we have plugins, a lot of plugins. We can search any plugin. We can search that WPS hide and login. It's gonna appear here, but we have here WPS hide login. We can directly install it from this point on, but I'm gonna show you if we already have any file, how we can upload and install that. Here we go, and reload it and download it. I already have downloaded it. I can show it to folder, and here we have WPS login. I'm gonna choose it. For this, you shall go to this, choose the file, and now choose, I have choose this file. I'm gonna open it and we can install it now. We have two ways. We can directly install this plugin from here, and I have choose the file of that same plugin, and now we can install it now. Here we go, it is being installed. Unpacking the package, installing the plugin, and activate plugin. Here we have options, so activate. We are going to activate the plugin. Now we can activate our WPS hide login. Here we have settings, and we can go to the same settings from this point on. We are going to go there from here. Here we have the site title and the tagline and the WordPress address, site address, and our email. Membership, we can choose whom we can register, and the user's default role. We have different roles here, and site language, which is English, and time zone. We have to choose the time zone according to our state we are right now working, or we are right now living in. So here is, we can choose it that too. This according to our state. We can choose the date format. We can choose day, month, and then date, and then year. We can choose year, then date, and then month, and then year. Likewise, we have a lot of the options, and time format is gonna same. We can choose any of the time format from this point, and we can start weekly. According to our own settings, we can choose any of the day. It is starting from Monday, and WPS hide login. We can choose the login URL. We have this URL. We can write anything we want to hide it from any of the attacker, any of the hacker. Here we go. For example, I'm gonna write it hide tag. If I will write it incorrectly, it will go to this page and not to the main page. I'm gonna save changes, and I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. Here we go. We shall open a new browser, and we shall log it out from here to check whether it is working or not. So I'm gonna cross it and cross it as well. Here we go to the localhost. Localhost TechVlog, and then I'm gonna write if I have write it incorrectly. To show you if we will be writing it incorrectly, it will direct to us to this page, but if we will choose the right one, we have written there that was high tech. Here we go. It is now appeared on the right page, now has appeared, and we can go to the same page. Now our web is secure without us without users, without administrator, no one can open it, and our data and our web is really secure. That was for today. In the next video, I will be back with another amazing thing. Please like and share our video, subscribe our channel. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can go to our website. In the previous video, I have shown you how to create a website and how to secure it. Today, I'm going to show you how we can change the URL address of our web if we forgot it. So here we go to the localhost, and then slash, and then taglog. I was going to show you, however, I remember the right word I have written in my URL, but if you forget it, how you can cover it? Here I'm gonna go to write the wrong one, and it has given me error that the page is not founded because I have wrong URL address because I have forgot it. I actually didn't forget it, but I'm gonna show you how we can cover it. We have used a plugin to secure our website so anyone couldn't reach it. But if you forgot by yourself that what you have written in your URL, how you can fix it? Now I have deleted that, and we are going to go to the backup of our web. Here we have the ht docs. Here we shall go to the tech blog, and here we shall go to the WP contents. Here we were securing our web with the WPS hide login plugin. Here we select it, and then we shall undo it. Now go to URL, and here I'm gonna go right the usual way everyone's right, that is WP. It has directed us to the defaulted page. It was defaulted, so here we have the defaulted URL. It is not changed. We were changing it to secure our web. Now it is defaulted, and we are on the admin page. Here we're going to log in here, and we shall go to the plugins. Here they are asking the plugin WPS hide login has been deactivated due to an error, because I have removed that now, and I will be placing it back. Cut and paste, and now I shall refresh it. Now it is giving me an option to activate it again. We can activate it again. Here we go. Hide login, and here it is. The word we have written before was hide tag to secure our web. So we have seen it here. We can change this from this point on. We can write whatever we could remember. So I'm gonna go write TV login and enter, and now our URL is TV login. All the other things we have been discussing before. So now our main URL is gonna be the admin page URL, gonna be the TV login. Here we go. That was for today. I will be telling you it is my offline server and offline web. I can edit it however I want, and I can change its settings, and I will be telling you how we can use the same process to the online server and online web in the some other video. So please, I hope you like our video, share it, watch it, and please subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I'm gonna tell you how we can install a theme to our website. So here we go. We shall go to login, and we have logged into our website. Here we are. Here we have the tools. Here we have appearance, and we are going to install the theme. So we shall click on the theme. Here we have defaulted themes shown here, but we can add new themes from this point, and we can also install and use these ones, but we are going to add new one. Here we are. Here in new themes, these are all the popular themes we can install and use. Theme is actually the structure of our website, that how after installing the theme, how our web is gonna look. It's front and back page. Here we have latest themes. Here we go, the latest ones. Scrolling down and up, we have plenty of them, so we can install and use them. Here we have blog themes. Here, if you have any favorite themes, they're gonna show here. I didn't have pinned any of them yet, so here we go to the feature filters. Here we can use filters and then can search, for example, the blog, e-commerce, education, entertainment, food and drink, holiday, news, photography and portfolios. Here we have in features is accessibility ready, blog editor patterns, blog editor styles, custom background, custom colors and custom headers, custom logo, editor style, featured image header, featured image and footer, widget and site editor, full width template, post format, sticky post, style variations, template editing and theme options. In the layout, we have grid layout, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, left sidebar, right sidebar and white block. Here we go to the grid layout and the custom background and block, and let's search. Oh sorry, I have cleared them. We gotta do this, apply filters, and here we go. We have applied filters to our liking, and now they have shown themes according to those filters what we asked them. So here we have popular. We shall install one theme. This one seems convenient, so here I'm gonna install this one. It is being installed. Gonna take a little bit, and then it is being installed. Here we go, detail and preview. We can see how our web gonna look like after it will be. So our web gonna look like this if we will be installing and activating this theme to our web. Now we shall cross it from here, and we already have clicked on the install, and now we shall go back to themes. Here we have the installed one. So now it is asking, here our theme is new mystics, so we are going to activate this one. We shall activate it, and now here we have activated it. And here we are going to look how our web's gonna look. Here we go. It is processing, and our web gonna look like this theme because we have installed the theme to our web. So here we go, it's probably done. Here we have the view of our web, that how our web gonna look like. I didn't have posted much material and content yet, but if I will be posting that's gonna see and that's gonna appear on this page, because this is the front page of my web. Here it is gonna look like this. Now we shall go back to the dashboard, and here I'm gonna tell you about the theme. Here we go. Now we can install different demos in this. So here are the demos of the new Mystic theme, the setup tutorials. We shall install and activate this plugin, free and premium demos. The written here, the free, these are the free, and pro are the paid versions. So in the new Mystic 1.2.6 we have setup tutorials, support, theme demos. We can leave a preview and free versus pro. Here we have pro and free. Here we're going to install and activate plugin, and let's see what's gonna happen. Our plugin is being installed. Here we go. And now we can use all of the features of this plugin, and we can see and all the demos, and we can use, if we'll be paying we can use pro, and if we'll not be paying we can use the free ones. And this was our theme. Here we go back to the dashboard, and we were talking about the custom size and documentation that gonna be according to your choice, however you choose that. And it was about the new Mystic theme. I'm gonna show you how, if you don't have any theme in your mind but you like it somewhere else, from where you can download that theme. I have written here the new Mystic, and the first result I have seen was new Mystic WordPress theme. So I'm gonna go on it, and from this point I can download it to install it in my web. So here it has downloaded. I'm gonna go and show in folder, and shall back to here the theme. So before I show you how we have the another way to upload the theme of our liking, how we can uninstall or delete the existing theme. Here I'm gonna activate this, and shall go to the theme detail of this one. Here of theme detail of this one, and here we have the option to delete this one. I'm gonna click on it, and it is asking if I want to delete it. Yes, okay, I didn't want to cancel it, so that has deactivated. So I'm gonna go here and add new one. They're asking to upload the theme. If we have downloaded version, we can upload theme from this point, and they are asking to choose the file, and I'm gonna choose, and I already have downloaded it. So here I'm gonna choose this and gonna open this, and now installing from uploaded file. Here we have Live Pro, activate, and then I'm gonna activate this, and it was the another way, so it has again activated. It was the another way. There was two ways. The one was previous, I have shown you how we can choose a theme, and the second was how we can download and then upload it, and we can use the theme of however we like it, and how our web gonna look if we are going to install the theme, and we can use its features. So that was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video. Please like a video, share it, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Welcome to the Netiquette Next, and welcome back to the series of WordPress and how we can create a web and we can design it and how we use it of our own. Now here we go to the localhost to connect our web to our data, localhost / and then our web name was TechVlog, then / and TV login, and here we go. It is being processed. Here I have here we are connected to the TechVlog, and this was the theme we have chosen. And now we are going to the dashboard. Here we go, and here we are on login page. I'm gonna log in it, and it is being processed, and we are connected to the dashboard. We have access because we are the user. Here in appearance we already have choose the theme. Here in appearance we have a lot of other options except theme, that is customize, widget, menu, header, background, use mystic option, theme file editor. We shall go to customize, how we can customize our website. Here in today's amazing video we will be seeing how we can customize our web. Here is the about the theme, and now in general options we have global options, and in global options we have SEO, that is we can see the search engine optimization, and in that we have date to display, in which date our any post, anything we upload was published, and published date, and that the modified date of that thing we are going to publish. And here is the default theme, date format, default by theme, and WordPress default date, that is default. We are going to use the default. There is no detail you shall know about it, but it was important so I have told you. Here we have a preloader. Preloader, enable site preloader. Here we go. Usually the preloader, when it works, our website gets a little bit slow, and we don't have to enable it yet. It was just to show you, and here we go to enable it, and here we go again to the website styles. Here we have the color. Right now the color of our web we are using is green. We can choose the border color. Here is the border color, that's green. We can choose another. For example, I'm going to choose it to black, and the color of the border has changed to the black, as we can see, but we are going with the green because all the other color is green. Here we go again, and website layout. In the layout we have two options. Here is the one that is in box, and here is another one that has the full screen layout. Here we go, and it's gonna look like this in the box. Here is the header bar, and all the other things are in box, and here we have this one. The screen gonna look like this. It will appear on the full screen. So we should go back at animation, hover effects. Here we have post title, hover effects, and we can choose none, and we can choose one effect, and image hover effect, that is we can choose none, and image hover effect, effect 1. We have chosen it, and it will be hovered. Right now we didn't have customized or put any of much data on our web, but when we will put and we will choose these options, they will be working. Here we have social icons that are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, YouTube. We can choose when to and where to show them, and however we can hide them. If we hide them here, the Instagram and the Facebook, the sign of those, the logo of the Instagram and the Facebook are not going to show because I have hide them. But if we have now, and they have been again appeared here on the page. As you can see, the Facebook and the Instagram were disappeared when we had hide them, and now they are back on their position. And from this point we can open link in new tab, open link in the same tab. If we will be choosing any of these, and we will be choosing, and then if we have clicked on the opening the new tab, the Instagram page, we have been put our link here, that will be open in new tab. And when we will be choosing this option, open link in the same tab, and we will be clicking on any of them, it will be open in the same tab. It's just this. And now we can see the buttons of read more. Here we have the option of read more. We can change this to just to read, and now you can see it is just the read. We shall write back the more, and now here we go, it has the read more option. We should go back to the sidebar options. Here we go, we have plenty of them. Front page sidebar layout, here we have these layouts. We can see them one by one. Our web's gonna look like this if we choose this, and gonna look like this if we choose this option. Same goes for all of them. We just have to choose, and our layout for the web will be like we choose the option. These are basically the structures. Here we have breadcrumb option, and breadcrumb option type is by default we can choose nav xt and yoast SEO and rank math. Those are the plugins have extra functionalities, but we are going to choose the default because it is good. And display breadcrumb on for main container. Here we have before inner container, full width and inner container options. Here we go to the scroll to top and down. We can see the icon here. Here we have right now it in right. You can choose it to center. Now it has appeared in the center, and here we have the option to choose it to left, and here we click on it. We have clicked it, and now it has, we are on the top right now. Scroll to top visibility, we have visibility of desktop, of the tablet, and we can show this on phone, and how it's gonna show on the phone will be appeared here. And we have button level. Now that was for today. In the next video I will be telling you more about the customization, so don't go anywhere, be right here with us, and you can see how we can manage and customize fully our website. So please like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Here we go, welcome back to the Netiquette Next, and welcome back to the series of the WordPress, in which I have been showing you how we can create a website for ourselves of our own, and how we can use different plugins, use different themes. And I've been telling you recently in previous video of the customization, how we can customize our web viewer on the option. I have told you about the global options. Now we are going to see the site identity. Here we go. To the site identity we can use logo and site icon. We can choose any logo of our liking. We can select logo. Here we go. We didn't have any logo yet, but randomly I'm gonna put this one. I'm just gonna show you how we can use it and save it. I already have saved that, so I'm not gonna save this. just going to select logo and then upload file and select, and here we go on the desktop, and here we have this I have chosen, and now we have attached it. We can write the alt text, its title, caption and description however we want according to our web. We can select that, and now have been selected, and we are not going to skip cropping, and our logo has appeared here. It's gonna look like this. I just have took a random logo on from internet just to show you it is not the logo of my web. We can remove it from here and we can change it. If we want to change, we can change, and right now we are going to remove. Here we have favicon side icon. Select side icon. Likewise, we can select the icon just like this. This is the icon of the XAMPP. Like that, we can choose any icon for favicon. Right here we have the option. We can choose this or any other if you want, and it is asking us the width and the height of the picture shall be 512 and 512 pixels. Here we go. Site title and to the tagline. Our site title is tech vlog, and we can use the taglines here to display the site title. It is not being displayed because I have hide it, and we are going to show it again, and from this point we can see display site description, and if we hide it we can see. And now we shall go back. Here we have the colors. We have choose the green color. By default it was it, and I have liked it, but we can choose any color for theme presets. We can choose gradients. Likewise, we can choose any of them. If I choose this or this and any of the other color, we can choose them. It was initially in green and by default, and I have liked it, so we are going to back. You can choose any color however you want. Here we have the category colors. Technology is green and categorize is teen. We can refresh them and can change them. Here we have the header image. We don't have any current header image right now, but we can add new image. As I have told you, we can choose our media library. We already have put some of them here, so we can choose, and we can also upload a new file. Right now I'm not gonna upload, but I have to show you how we can choose header image, how you can customize and manage your web. Here we have the top header, show top header. I have hide it and the top header is not being showed, and now the top header is being showed. Show date and time. Here we have date. It is hide it, and we can now see show date and time. Now time is being played here. Likewise, the trigger news. We have nav menu and trigger option. We can choose them likewise as well. Show trigger news, and we can show and hide that as well. We can see all the day, time and all the other settings here in the top header bar. The theme header, we have ads banner. We can select image of the ads. We can use add URLs, and we can open ads and on the same link. We didn't have any ads put here, any ads banner right now, but we can use them. Now main header, we have main header, show social icon. They have been hide it because I have hide them. Here we go again. Here we have different buttons, site logo, their options, and manage site logo option. We already have discussed logo. So we were in theme header. The main header, we have discussed all of them one by one recently, and now random news. We have in menu options text color. We can choose the color of the text. Here we have black, but we can choose any if we want. And border type, we have choose green. We can change that. Here we have custom button, show header custom button. And now we can button label live on and add. We can use add URL for the button to redirect. All these are the options you can use to customize your website. Here we have live search, enable live search, and we have enabled it. If we will be disable it, it's not gonna search the live. Here we have ticker news. We already have discussed that, but it was an option. So front page option, main banner. Here we have main banner, show main banner. We can hide it. Now the main banner has disappeared, and here we have appeared here. And here we have the setting. The newest gonna show on the top or the oldest. So newest to oldest, we have this one setting. We can also choose the oldest, newest, and A to Z and Z to A, and randomly. Here we have choose newest to oldest. All these are the options you can choose, and order by random. It is by default. It is good. Remember that every theme has their own functionalities and a little bit different options. So we are right now discussing about this, but they already have this probably same options. You can see them and use them. In front section, here we go. We have full width, news grid. You can hide it and you can block the ads. And full width section, they have disappeared, they have hide it, and latest post you can see, and bottom full width section you can see. Here we have left content, right sidebar. It is about the sidebars. We have already discussed them. And left sidebar, right content. Here we go. We have options here for that. You can see bottom full width. We already have a lot of options here. Bottom full width section, we can hide that, and we can show that as to all liking. Reorder section, here we have different options. We shall go back to the other options, and I already have shown you how we can load a blog, and I will be discussing how we can manage our pages in the next video. And here we have footer options, theme footer. You can see the footer. Here we have different. We will be choosing them, and they will look like this, appear on our screen like that. Manage footer widget one, and here we have different options for the footer. Bottom footer we can show, and in the menu, and here we have hide it. Here we go. We can see the code, the background we have in green. We can see the menu and widget and home page setting. We already have discussed them. What has left it will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for liking and sharing our video. Please watch them, keep liking them, and subscribe our channel. I will be back soon, so don't go anywhere, and look forward to it. Welcome to the Netiquette Next, and welcome back to the series of WordPress and website. In the previous videos, we have created a website of our own. Here we go to log into our website, and in previous video we have been discussing about post, media, and how we can install different plugins and themes, and how we can customize our web. So here today we will be firstly adding a new plugin, and then we will be adding a lot of pages, and we will be seeing what is the different of what is the functionalities of different pages and how we can create them. So here we go to firstly plugins, and then to the add new, and we have to create page of contact us. So here we go and search of contact from 7, that is a plugin, and then we will be installing it. Install now, and then we will be activating it. When it will be activated, I will be telling you how we can create a page, add a page of contact us, so the users can be contact us. Here we have contact from 7 plugin activated, and here are the settings. Here we shall go to the page and add new. Here we can add new things, but we shall go, I was just showing to installed plugins, and click on the this one, and firstly we have to copy this text from here and shall go back to the add new page, and here in the title we shall write the contact us. Here we have write it, and here we have to paste that text, and then we have to publish it, and it is really amazing. Here we go to the site, and site we have just created and posted a page, and here we have contact us page added here. So click on it, and that now users can contact us through this page. Isn't it amazing? Shall go back to the dashboard, and here I'm gonna show you how we can create another amazing thing, which is privacy policy. Policy of our web. We didn't have to write for our web. Privacy policy. Here we have, I am going to use another application, that is Policy Maker application. Here we go. I have searched and bookmarked it already, so we will be easy to find it, and here we shall go to the privacy policy generator and start now. The application will be creating a privacy policy for our web. So here we go. What is your website domain name? That is techvlog.com, and next. Here we go. What is your company name? That is techvlog, and next. Here we go. In which country do you store and process user personal data? That is Pakistan, and next. Do you accept payments? You have two choices. You can choose of your own, yes or no. Here we get to the no, and then next. Do you show ads on your website? This is also option you have. So here we go, yes, and next. If required by law or by a government agency, will you disclose the personal information of users to law enforcement agents? You also have two choices, yes or no. So it is about the law and government, that is supreme. So I am gonna choose yes, and then next. Do you ask your users for location information? No, we don't ask, but if you ask, you can say yes. Here we go, and choose effective date for your privacy policy. We can choose date, Today is 5 July 2023, so we are going to choose this, and you can put any email here. So we're going to our email, and that is Infinity Tech. I'm gonna write here the Infinity Tech, Infinite Tech, and then what's next? 92 activate, 92 @, and gmail.com. And here we go to the finish, and the privacy policy for our web has been created. So here we can see and read. I'm just scrolling down to show you that the privacy policy has been created. Here I'm gonna copy it, and then we don't need the introduction, we just are copying it from this point on. We shall copy it from this point on and then paste it to our web page, and then we will be adding that page to our main page. That is something really amazing. Here we go, and from this point I can remove this, and then we're here. And now I'm gonna publish it and going to show you the amazing another thing, which is refresh it, and privacy policy has been created. We have created another page and edited and published it. It is shown here, and that is privacy policy for our web. Isn't it amazing? We have created two pages in this video, that is contact us and privacy policy. We are going to create another page that is about us. Here we go, and we shall go to the ChatGPT, and then here we go. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write about it. Be quick. Here we go. It is being processed, and we will be writing about us here. Here we go. My web name is Tech Vlog, which is about technology. Write about us for the web. Here we go. It is gonna write. You can read it as however you want. If it is about your liking, you can add this, and if you don't like it, you can write of your own. However you want, however you like, you can write that. Here we go. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna publish it, and here we have about us page also. So here is about us. We have created privacy policy page, contact us, and about us. These are the pages that are permanent on our web and are not gonna change until the admin can change them. Everybody can see them. About posts, they can be edited and can be removed every day and every night, however you want, but these are the permanents. Post will be appear the latest post however you want. The new post will come and the previous one will be disappeared, but the pages are the permanent. So here we go to the dashboard, and it was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video. Please keep liking and sharing our video and subscribe our channel, watch our videos. These are informative, and I will be back soon, so look forward to the next video. Welcome to the Netiquette Next, and welcome back to the series of WordPress. In previous videos we have created our own web and customized it and installed a lot of plugins and themes, and we were seeing how we can add posts and a lot of other things. In today's amazing video, firstly we have to log in it, and then we will be seeing how users can manage actually the website, and what we have in all user, how many users could a website have, how are the roles are of the users. Basically we have 4 users. Through plugins we can add more users role, but we can have a lot of users, but the role are the famous for are the administrator, admin. Right now I am the admin, and the editor who can edit all the other posts, and the author who can edit his own post, and the contributor who can edit posts but cannot publish them. So here we go to the user. Right now I'm the only user, and I will be adding a user from this point on. Here we go, username is required. I'm randomly writing the name, and here we go, we shall use this one, and first name is Bella, and the next name is Weston, and website is Tech Vlog. Here we go to the Tech Vlog, and we are asking it to generate password, send a new user an email about their account. Now right now it is just to show you, but if I will be clicking on this option, it's mean that this information will be sent to the email we are asking, and then the responder, the subscriber, whoever we want to add, will be responding, and then he can have access to this web. Right now we are not going to send this, so send user notification no. Right now we are going to say no, and generate password, we already have this password, we are going to use that, and here we are going to choose it as editor and add new user. We shall for now save this password because I don't know the password, and here we go. Now we have role of administrator and the role of the editor. Now add new user. There we go. Brad, and Brad activate tech com. First name is Brad and second name is John, and tech vlog, and password is generated already. We shall undone this, and the author we shall choose, because we already have administrator who can manage all and customize all the web, and editor who cannot customize or manage all the tools of the website but can see and edit all of the posts and blogs. Here we go. We shall choose author and add new user, and here again, here we have now 3 users and 3 roles, that is admin tech and Bella and Brad. And here we have their an email information, here we have their names, here we have their post roles, administrator, editor and author, and here we have post of administrator, totally 2 posts. Here we can see we didn't see, posted any post yet, uploaded any post yet with this name and with this name, so here is appearing 00 posts, and we are going to last one at the new. Here we go to write Stephen and Stephen @ Howard gmail.com, and here we have Stephen, and here we have Howard, here we have tech vlog, and here we have the last, the contributor. And from this point we can add new user. We can also create the password of our liking, however we like that. And now you can see here we have 4 roles or 4 users: admin tech, Bella, Brad and Stephen. Bella Weston, Brad John and Stephen Howard. Here we have their emails, here we have their roles, and here we have the information about the posts. So right now I'm going to log out as admin, and Stephen was the contributor, so I'm gonna log in here with that name. So here you can see I can from this username as this user I can see posts and add new one, but that will be pending. I cannot publish them. I can see comments, contacts, profile, tools and collapse menu. Here we go to add new. No matter what I write or however I write, I do not have any option of publish here. I cannot publish that. I can just submit for review, and from this point it was just to show you. I'm gonna log it out here, and we have admin tech, Stephen, and now we shall log in as Bella, and here we have Bella was the editor, so it has more bars, like bars. She can see all posts, add new post, can add categories and tags, can see library, media and can add new, can add pages and see all the pages, can see comments and can comment, can see contact forms and add new forms. She has the profile and tools and the collapse menu. Likewise, she can publish all of her own and others' posts. So here we go to log out, and here we have the last option of Brad, which was the author. Likewise, we can see these options. He has the power according to these. I'm going to show you. He can just publish of his own post and cannot edit others' posts. So we shall log out as Brad John and only log in as admin tech. Login, and here we are, and we can see all the users. It was just to show you. We can change the role to other roles of them. You can see bulk actions. Here we have all. In all we have 4 users. We can add new users. We can add subscriber as well. We can add new users that will be appear here, but their roles are gonna remain same. And administrator is one, which is myself, and one is editor, and one is author, and another one is contributor. So here we go. It was just to show you. I will be back soon with another amazing video, and please like and share our video and subscribe our channel.